Hello everyone, this is Daria from Kaya Academy, and today I will teach you how to vote in a Twitter poll. Since lots of people use Twitter polls are good polls that we can express our ideas and feelings. Do you know how to vote in a Twitter poll? Twitter polls allow users to pose questions like to their families that the followers can respond by voting, right? You can easily vote in a Twitter poll with your account once you know how. It's very easy. All you got to do is click actually. But for me to be able to show you this, first I had to tweet this poll. As you can see, this is my account. And then I had to log in my friend's account to show you how you can do that. So, can you vote? Yes, you can. No, you can't. Yes, you can. As you can see, I can. But you cannot vote in your own account. You cannot vote your own poll that you have created because why? Like, it wouldn't make sense. You know what I mean? Because most of the time, the reason why you're making a poll is because maybe you haven't decided something or you want to know what others are thinking about it because you haven't made up your mind. It's just that. So for me to be able to show you this, let me do that. Let's go to my profile. As you can see, I can't. But I can see that someone has voted one vote, which was coming from Thomas's account that I have used for. So it is so easy, right? If you have any questions about answering it, oh, right before that. No, you cannot change your vote. Let's try, but we're not going to be able to do it. You see, you have voted already. You cannot do anything because you did it already. So make sure that you're not choosing the wrong option. So thank you for watching this video. I hope it has helped you. I hope you like this video. And if you have any questions about Twitter polls or anything else that includes Twitter or anything else that includes technology and apps, you can ask me in the comments and I will be there answering your questions. And if you have any suggestions about our content, about the videos that we should make, also let us know in the comments and do not forget to hit the like button since I have helped you and I have taught you how to do it. And if you haven't subscribed, click that button. It's very easy. You're just gonna, just it's very easy. So thanks for watching again. See you in the next video.